Now, the function of group marketing under the SIRIM Berhad wing is to have these three main focus. The first main focus will be the business pillars. We have business pillars consist of enterprise business. We have also new business. We have intelligent management, which is actually focusing on all the contracts, tenders, and concessions. The last one is actually the international business. We are focusing on all the regional exploration of SIRIM's technological rollout as well. So these are actually our business pillars, and it's the four main components. The intangible one, when we actually create, is actually from the group marketing on from the creative work that we actually create material to educate or promote Malaysian's technology vision or SIRIM's technological solutions. These are the intangibles that we actually show it most of the time in visuals or in collaterals. In 2024, I think the level it becomes probably 3.0, 4.0 of Semicon. Exactly the same how we're going to actually work on an NIMP project. At this moment, we have been just awarded by MITI to actually establish technological adoption 4.0. So it has to go along with the Semicon, how we go about on Semicon, because that is also our national industry master plan. Every single component or the ecosystem of Semicon can and already been established in SIRIM. We also can provide end-to-end solution for Semicon. The reason why, because SIRIM is the only entity in Malaysia that has all the capabilities. We have the TICs, meaning that we can actually do testing, inspection, and calibration. We can actually do calibration, all the measurement work, because there's a lot of work on that for Semicon. We also can provide the manuals and training, because we have SIRIM Academy. We also have SIRIM Industrial Research, where developmental work can be expanded from the existing to even better for technology rollout for Semicon. And for the most unique reason, SIRIM is actually wearing three hats. Three hats of actually being the government agencies, being also the industry support, as well as for the society. 500 billion ringgit worth of investment. These are the aims for the Semicon for the next few years, as well as to train and to be able to have about 60,000 chip engineers, and at least to actually be able to have 10 local companies fully established in mass production as well as a support system for the Semicon. We are talking about 6 figures here of actually skill level. Now, the opportunity for SIRIM to probably go and train in that what we call academic sector, technological academy sector, to actually make sure that we support government enough to get this KPIs of 60,000. Our SIRIM Industrial Research, as a strategic business unit in SIRIM, they have established 4 main pillars of technology sectors. Number 1 is advanced material. Number 2 is life science. And number 3 is smart manufacturing. And the last one, number 4, is environment and energy. Malaysia is a preferred country compared to the other ASEAN countries to establish as Semicon. The interest may actually come towards more to Malaysia, because we already established once. We have no problem of manpower, language barrier, technology-wise, accessibility, land. So these are the role of SIRIM to actually make sure that there are technology exchanges as well. There are technology transfer as well. Exchange and transfer is 2 different things. There are partnership and there are also just a learning basis. So these are the things that probably we want to go for to support the Semicon industries. And SIRIM's role is actually to make sure that it's been cascaded down to all the industry, to make sure that our industry are ready with Semicon technology or being a support system to the semicon industry. When you talk about semicon industry, they require a lot of support system. Now, that's the support system what we're talking about just now is the manpower, the machine, the resources. We do not have problems of metals and raw materials. So when it comes to SIRIM Berhad, our main function is to also make sure that the commercialization of semicon also can happen, and we can actually guide from SIRIM. The developmental work is another function that we have to provide to the industry. So you talk about servicing, providing the commercialization work, how do they actually work on business models for all the semicons companies, or the support system of the SMEs, as well as also the technological developmental work that we have to provide to either the support system or the player itself.